And this is Amit. Here I am with the Manipal University, that is MET 2025 counseling rank versus branch. As you all have got the rank at this midnight, I am providing you this video. I am recording this video because it is very important for all of you after getting the rank to know what are the branches available. As this year they have changed lots of things, that is mainly regarding the branches. They have merged all the CSE specialization in Bangalore, Jaipur and main campus with a CSE core. So CSE core cutoff will go up because of the merging, means all the seat will be available in CSE core. So if there is 1000 seat earlier in CSE core and 200 in IoT, 200 in AIML, so they will add all the seat and it become 1400 or 1800 or 2000 depending on the total number of specialization. So in the browser they clearly mention 4-5 browser, so it makes around 2000 plus seats like this. So that will have the effect on the cutoff also. So let's get started with the video. Before starting, I'm providing you the number on the screen. This number is only for paid guidance. If you want my paid services so that you can get the best, as you are ready to pay 20 lakh 25 lakh to college, so it is better to advise take the advice from expert like me, as I'm doing it from last 7 years. So I will advise you whether to join Manipal or other option, whatever you have, BitSat, BIT, Comment K, KSET, or JOSA counseling, Jack Daily counseling, MST CET, or AEEE KSET. Like multiple options are available. So for that I will guide you one to one, and in counseling of Manipal I will guide you what you need to fill, how you need to do the decision making after each round. I will guide you. So first of all, let's consider the Bangalore campus, that is CSE, means CSE and CSE specialization both combined. This year it will go up to 18,000. Yes, it is correct. Last year it was 88,000, 9,000, whatever it is, but last year data will not be used now because last year there was separate CSE specialization. Now all has been merged. So total number of seat in CSE will increase. That will have the effect on marks versus that will have the effect on rank versus branch. So here is the information. CSE up to 18,000 you will get, EC 24,000, electronics and computer engineering 28,000, VLSI design 31,000, and robotics and artificial intelligence, a new branch has been added, that is up to 22,000 you will get the seat. So this was about the Bangalore campus cutoff up to the last round. If you do the counseling carefully, you will get it for sure, and I will take the responsibility to provide you the seat at up to this rank. After all the analysis, I am providing you the data. Now main campus CSE up to 6,000 you will get CSE core, because this year all the specialization AIML, data science, IT, CC, so all those branches has been included in CSE core. So that's why instead of 2000 like last year, it will go up to 6,000 because of the merging of branches. Here I would like to provide you the complete information regarding my complete guidance and mentorship program for Manipal entrance stage, that is MET 2025, as I am doing it from last 6-7 year already. 12,000 plus student I have guided. In my previous year video you can take the detail about the complete prediction that was 100% correct, and here a step by step and one to one guidance on a video session, audio session, everything will be available to guide you for the counseling process. There is complete counseling support to get the best out of your rank, that is best campus and best branch as well. Once you register, you will get a very good service at very low and affordable price, and it will help to get the best branch and campus because you are ready to pay lots of money to Manipal. So it is better to take expert guidance and mentorship so that you can get the best branch and campus. Thank you. Financial technology 7,000 because of the CSE core number of increment in C, and mathematics computing similarly go up to 8.5 thousand, EC 9.5 thousand, 500 more also it can be. If your rank is around 9,000 or 10,000, then also you can expect mathematics and computing and EC respectively. Cyber physical system 21,000, triple E 19,000, EIE 25,000, mechanical and mechatronics 32 and 28,000, aeronautical and biotechnology 25 and 30,000, automobile, biomedical, chemical, civil, industrial production you can get up to 40 or 45,000 also, because those are very less demandable. Again I am telling you, as I am providing the number, make sure if you are contacting me, it is for paid guidance, because one to one I will be talking with you, so it takes time. And once you are registered, it is sure that you will get the best out of your rank. Nothing to worry. Whenever you are contacting, you will get the best services until your final admission. Now for MUJ campus, Manipal University Jaipur branch CSE up to 33,000 because of the same reason as I told you earlier. All the branches of CSE specialization has been merged. CSBS means computer science, biological, computer science, and CSBS here it is related to biology. Biomedical science, I think it is. So up to 40,000. EC and electronics and computer VLSI up to 45,000. And biotechnology, chemical, civil, mechanical up to 50 or 50 plus thousand. Also you will get up to lasting. Also if you apply you will get it for sure, because these are very less demandable. This was about the Manipal Jaipur. Now I will talk about the least demandable option, that is Sikkim. Many of you we are asking the question, so I am considering this also. CSE up to 36,000. IoT, here they haven't merged it yet. IoT 44,000. CSE computer science technology 41,000. ECE 45,000. Computer science and information technology 43,000. AIML again 43,000. DS 44,000. Mechanical civil you can get up to last rank, and triple EEC VLSI design up to 50,000 also, or more than that also you will able to get the seat here. So this was the complete information. Hope you have find this information very useful for you. So kindly subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any update about anything. So thanks again for watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.